Hi, I'm Stuart Painter, founder of Painter Law. We're a personal injury firm with offices in Hillsborough and Raleigh. We're proud sponsors of Cars and Coffee events in Morrisville, Greensboro, and Concord. And we started Cars, Coffee, and Counsel to connect with fellow car enthusiasts, share stories from the road, and offer a little legal insight along the way.
Hi, I'm Ella. I'm here with Painter Law. Today we're here with Lindsay. Hi, Lindsay.
Hello. Hello.
Lindsay, can you tell us a little bit about the make and model of your vehicle?
Yes, this is a 1931 Ford Model A. Silver and purple pinstripes, of course. Purple interior, and it is my favorite thing in my life besides my children.
Yeah, it's an amazing, beautiful car. How did you, get this car?
This was my grandfather's car. His name was Ernie McBroom, and this was his baby. He loved driving it everywhere. Someone built it and then sold it to someone, and that someone sold it to my grandfather. That was about 8 years ago, and the last thing that we got to do together was drive this car together. So he called me for help with something and said, do I want to drive a minute? And I said, absolutely. And I got to drive a minute, and on the way back to the shop, I thanked him for letting me drive a minute. And he said, oh, we're going to do this plenty more times. And unfortunately, he passed 3 days later. And then my grandmother gave me the best gift on the planet, and she said, do you want this car? And she handed me the title and signed it over to me, and this is the best gift I've ever been given. And I drive it all the time. I drive it for him. I take care of it for him. He would want it that way, I think. And this is all for him and to show his car. I even call it his car. And I just hold on to it because it's the last thing that I have of him. And he was my best friend. He also had a 1936 Chevy Coupe race car, so he raced all the time, and I was always there with him at the races. And so he made me love cars. And so now here we are, 8 years later, and now it's mine, and I'll just keep driving it in his memory.
That's amazing. That's such a beautiful story.
Thank you so much.
Obviously it holds so much sentimental value, but what's your favorite feature on the car if you had to pick just one?
If I had to pick just one, it would be the purple interior and the purple pinstripes, because he was a purple loving kind of man. And I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it drives. But most importantly, I think my favorite part about it is that it was his car.
Yeah.
Of all things, it was his car, and that's what's my favorite thing about it.
And I think it's really beautiful that you get to pass it on and share that tradition and share it with other people.
Yes, and that's what I love. It brings so much joy to other people. I mean, of all ages, I've seen kids and adults just get so excited about it, and all the waves and thumbs up and the honks and everything, the smiles that this brings. He loved that. My grandfather loved the joy that this car brings to other people. So that's why I love to share it too, is because it brings that joy to so many that I've seen, and I cruise in it all the time. It also has purple underglow, so I drive it at night too, and people just love it.
That's amazing. Wow. Well, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much.
Really
It's an honor to be here.
Yeah.
I'm very thankful to be here.
Yeah.
And thank you for speaking with me today.
Yeah, great, thanks.
Today's insight. If you're hit while walking or biking, you still have rights, and you may be covered by auto insurance policies even if you weren't in a car. These claims can be tough, but don't assume you're out of options. This isn't legal advice, just general info. Every case is different, so talk to a lawyer if you've been in an accident. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to 833 Painter or go to painterlaw.com.